Hello everyone, Group 1 is presenting you Drama Darwin. Charles Darwin was one of the most famous scientists and Englishmen who ever lived because he had created the theory of evolution by natural selection. Some ideas were that species could change over time, Earth in its life is very old, populations could grow faster than their resources. From artificial selection, offspring could have chance variations that can be inherited, and artificial selection can change domestic species over time. An example are giraffes, because in the past giraffes had short necks, but there was chance variation in neck length. Therefore, some giraffes had longer necks than average. Then the giraffes started adapting to their environment and evolving into the giraffes today with the long necks that can reach to leaves that are high up in the trees.
Artificial selection are when animals are chosen by humans to reproduce and that could change an organism's trait. He used the word artificial to not confuse artificial with natural selection. One difference between artificial and natural selection is that artificial makes it so that the offspring has the custom-made traits instead of having natural random new traits.
Another difference between artificial and natural selection is that artificial organisms are not made by nature but by humans. Natural selection is when nature creates the offspring's traits. Natural selection can have an organism's traits but be passed on to another organism through offspring, while artificial selection offspring cannot pass on their traits. Artificial and natural selection both involve offspring.
But in the end, Charles Darwin's theory of evolution by natural selection has 4 main points. It's that organisms overproduce, struggle for existence, have variation, and that they survive to be the fittest. Or you can remember this as, only super vampires suck.